How you can make money on YouTube with AI influencers full tutorial. Imagine scrolling through your social media and stumbling upon an influencer who never sleeps, never eats, and never gets tired. For example, this one, as you can see, and this one too. This is, as you can see, over 300K followers. It's powered by AI. That means it's an AI influencer. It doesn't exist, and there's real people followed her. And here we have a lot of likes, comments, so you can create yours too, and then you're gonna start as or you can start earning money. So dive into the world of AI influencers, where virtual personalities are defining the rules of social media marketing and raking cash like never before. This is the power of AI influencers. You don't have to show your face, you don't have to do the voiceover, you don't have even to write the script. And a lot of AI influencers earns millions of dollars. And in this video, I show you how to create one and how to make money with it. So first step you need to start your video on YouTube using AI influencer is creating your AI character. But don't worry, actually you don't have to create it because we have here hygiene.com. It's an AI based tool that can be used to generate your AI characters. So all you have to do is open your web browser and type hygiene.com. As you can see, this is there is two options to get started, and here we have a lot of options that can help you to more understand how the website works. As you can see here, we have use cases, features, resources, company pricing. For the features, you can go to AI avatar to more understand and get more information, and the same thing for AI voice, video translate, personalized videos, streamline avatar, zaper. So there's a lot of various information that you can get here before signing up. And if we scroll down over here, you'll find an AI character using this script. So you can select which script you want and use this AI character on your YouTube channel. So if we more scroll down over here, you'll find a various AI character explaining a specific topic. For example, this one, product marketing, and this one too, sales outreach, and for this one, learning and development, content marketing. And if we more scroll down over here, you'll find the AI character or AI avatars. As you can see here, we have various one you can get started with. So you can choose the one you want and then you can start. So to get started, as I mentioned, you can click on get start and then you enter your email, your verification code, and you will answer for a few questions. Then you can sign up and it will lead you to this home page. So this is the home page. As you can see, this is my recent creation because I already have account here. And if we scroll down over here, you'll find a hygiene learning guide. So this is a guide that can help you to more understand, for example, the AI studio and the detail that have to knowing how to uh, edit the AI studio. The same thing for the video avatar, AI voice, video translation. So there's a lot of information that you can get here from if you didn't understand. And also the templates, as you can see, this is a lot of templates that you can get. So here we have a lot of templates. So we have here, for example, KPA presentation, sales deck. So there is a various AI character introducing these topics, and you can create one too. So all you have to do is click on it. And here we have the avatars if you want to start a video. So let's go to video avatar to find more AI character. So let's go to studio avatar. As you can see, you'll get or you'll have a various AI character. So this is the AI character that we have, and And as you can see here, we have various AI character as I mentioned, so you can choose the one you want. Here we have Zoe in t-shirt. So this is a description of the AI, same thing for the others. So let's start for this one. We have here, for example, this three dot if you want to edit avatar, get avatar ID, and this one if you want to create your video with this avatar. So you can click on the landscape and then you can start with. So here we have a lot of options. As you can see, this is our AI character. You can put it on the left, on the right, on the middle. You can also determine the size of your AI character if you want, and the animation too if you want to edit effect on enter, effect on leave, and if you wanna also edit script, so you can delete that one and then you can edit yours too. And if you want to edit script, edit pause between two sections, so you can make it 3 seconds, maybe less, maybe more. If you wanna for example, if you wanna edit a recording, you can just click here to start. And if you wanna upload audio, so you can click over here and then you can upload it. And if you find some difficulties on scripting, you can just click over here and then you can type your topic. Then it will help you, or GPT script writer will help you to create one. This one for translation, so you can select the language you want to translate your script and then you click on apply. And for the voices, so you can select the voice of your AI character. As you can see, the voice is female because I already choose the AI character female and English. So here we have a lot of various languages that you can select which one you want for your voice. And also the function, I already forget the age, so you can select which age you want. If you want a chat voice, youth voice, middle age voice, older voice, and the types too, so you can choose which type of the voices you want. If you want a natural voice, explainer voice, ads voice, audiobooks voice, e-learning voice, narration voice, game, so you can choose which one you want. And then you can select it and start editing your video with the voice that you choose. So there's a various way to earn money with it. You can, for example, start as an affiliate marketing through platforms like Impact.com. Offers affiliates flexibility in terms of how they promote products or services, allowing them to work independently. By promoting products or services through affiliate partnerships, affiliates can earn commissions on sales generated through the referral links, or you can just simply create a video guide, for example, like this one, using an AI influencers or using an AI influencer can be an engaging and innovative way to educate your audience. So you can choose the topic and then script, and you can start. Just make sure the language is clear and conscious, suitable for both your target audience and the AI influencer. So these two ways are just example that you can start with. So there's a lot of ways that you can start with and then you can earn money. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again on the next video.